The first thing we want to do when we're having problems with our furnace, and we have a little peephole here, is to look in there and see a little light. And they're usually red or green. And if there's a problem, that light will blink so many times. And it'll either be a single number or a double number. If it's a steady on, your unit's ready to fire. Alright, we have our red light. Oh, we have it blinking. Looks like a 1, 2, 3 space 1, 2, 3 space 1, 2, 3 space 1, 2, 3. It's either a 33 or a 3, and that'll give us a good indication what our problem is just by looking at that light before we, open up the furnace and get in there. Here we can look at our little menu here, and we saw 3 flashes, and it says pressure switch stuck open while your pressure switch stayed closed. Now that doesn't mean that your pressure switch is bad. That just means it never closed. And we know that's not the problem, the pressure switch, because we unplugged the draft inducer. So the lights give you a good indication where the problem is, but they don't exactly always tell you what is the problem. But it's a good start.